20 minutes is all you need. I love how pasta is very versatile because you can throw in any protein or veggies and the dish is going to turn out amazing. So in this recipe, we are going to be making some sausage pasta, which is going to turn out delicious, flavorful, and it's going to be bomb once you try out the recipe. When you prep up your fresh ingredients, cooking gets easier. So I've already chopped up some onions, red capsicum, I have some crushed garlic and ginger, a lot of zucchini and carrots, my pasta, coriander, 5 sausages, several spices and tomato paste, and you're going to find everything listed in the description box down below. So you're going to start off by placing a small pot for boiling your pasta or for cooking your pasta over medium flame. Then next, I'm going to be picking a pan for cooking my pasta. Is it pasta? No. For cooking my sausages. So I'm going to place over medium flame and add in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, which I'm going to be using to cook my sausages together with the veggies. So it's quite enough. Spread the oil. Wait for around 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds at most, for the cooking oil to get ready. You don't want the oil to be too hot because the sausages are not going to cook on the inside. And when the oil is ready, carefully place in the sausages in the pan. You can double up or triple the ingredients to make more for your family. This is a small recipe for around 2 people, so you can double or even triple the ingredients to make for your whole family, or if you're looking forward to meal prep. As the sausages are cooking, you're going to flip using a tongue or a spatula. And the cooking time is around 2 to 3 minutes on all sides. And the cooking time is between 2 to 3 minutes. Just make sure to reduce the flame so that they can brown evenly and cook on the inside. You're going to salt your pasta water with a teaspoon and a half of salt. And this is going to season the pasta. Then next, you're going to add in your pasta and cook according to packaging instructions. So mine is going to take around 6 to 8 minutes. Check on my sausages, which are perfectly cooking. You're going to use a fork and stir in the pasta and let it cook. Back to my sausages. When they're looking this gorgeous, you're going to transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. And let the sausages cool down a little bit. Bring the flames to medium. Then you're going to add in your onions. Add in 4 cloves of garlic and half a teaspoon of ginger. Saute for around a minute until everything is nice and flavorful. As your onions are cooking, you're going to slice up your sausages. So I'm going to pick my tongue, pick my sausage and cut to any shape that you want. For one sausage, I'm going to be cutting into 4 pieces. And once done, I'm going to get back to my onions, which are very flavorful because the garlic and ginger are cooked. And everything is starting to brown. When your onions are ready, you're going to add in 1 heaped teaspoon of tomato paste. Cook your tomato paste for around a minute. Then next, you're going to be adding in a couple of spices. I have Cajun Seasoning. This is half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, a little bit of white and black pepper together with a chicken seasoning cube. I'm going to add into the pan. toast the spices together with the tomato paste for around 30 seconds. And this is going to make everything very flavorful. Add in a splash of water. And this is how your sauce should be looking once you start. My pasta is cooked until al dente, so I'm going to put out the flames. Then next to my pan, I'm going to add in my carrots and zucchini, toss together with the tomatoes and the spices. Add in my sausages. Let me use my chopping board. Transfer in. Add in a little more splash of water. Then I'm going to toss the sausages together with the veggies. Add in my pasta. Add in my pasta, and this is how gorgeous everything is looking. Yummy, yummy. To season, I'm going to be adding in some dark soy sauce, about a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of oyster sauce. And this is going to add in a very nice brownish color to the pasta, and together with umami flavor. I'm running out of oyster sauce. So I'll toss the sauces together with the pasta. So we're going to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over low flame, and this is going to fully cook down the pasta, and also everything is going to infuse and soak in all those nice flavors. So you can check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, we're going to add in a little bit of salt. I'm thinking of adding some cayenne because, we added some Cajun seasoning and it is a little bit spicy, so that's okay. I won't be adding in some cayenne powder. So I'm going to check the seasoning. So good. So to add in a very nice sweetness and tangy flavor, I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of ketchup. That is 2 tablespoons. Toss and let everything cook. After a minute, I'm going to check on my pasta. Everything is well balanced, but it's a little bit acidic. So I'm going to add in a pinch of sugar. Yeah, that's a pinch. And toss. Let the sugar sip into the sauce. That is going to take around 30 seconds while I add in my red capsicum, which is going to add in a little bit of color. We still have some coriander. Yeah, the recipe is that fast. Lastly, garnish with coriander, lots of it. Put out the flames and serve. My sausage pasta is looking incredible. I've just dabbed the plating with some avocado that I've made in a very nice design, and also slices of tomato. The pasta is well cooked, very flavorful, and the sausage is just so good. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it needs very few ingredients. Bye.